Alright, so welcome back to Driveway. Today we got the transfer case on the chopping block and we're going to tear into that and take a look at whether the bearings are good or not, and basically all around just a good little checkup on there. We've got the rebuild kit over there for whatever bearings look like they might be worn or whatever, and we'll take care of them based on what we find. So anyways, I guess we'll start cleaning this thing up and we'll get to tearing this down once I've cleaned up this nasty stuff. So stick around and check it out. Alright, so items like this, it's easiest just to fire up a drill with a wire brush on it, and that'll take care of a lot of the junk real quick. Just like that, you get a whole bunch of grime off there. So I'm going to keep cleaning this thing up. We'll bring you back when it's time to start tearing her apart. Alright, well, we got it cleaned up just enough to be able to take off some of these caps here. Then we can clean some more of the items in the parts washer. Right. That guy off. All right, good old classic rollers. Unkept rollers. Okay. It's like the new ones have the rollers and a keeper. So that'll make things a lot easier. this. Put a pile for this other ones here. Okay, so this stuff doesn't look too bad, so I'm going to try not to get into the needle bearings in these other ones and just replace the big bearings on the outside and then seal it up and call it a day, because everything's looking good in there. Pull this out. Fascinating. All right. See what we got over here. Got a bunch of seals. .307. I do not want to know where these guys go, because that looks could be ugly. So we'll probably try to not do that. Alright, I got our covers all cleaned up, pressed in this seal, and you can see I pushed it in further than just flush with the top, mainly because if you can see on the yoke here, there's a spot here where it's worn down a little bit because of the seal. So that will put it to a different section. Although if I showed you the right one, there's this edge here. And so that's where it's been wearing down on. So I just moved it further back so it's a little more on here so we actually get a good seal. So all that's left now is R2Ving this thing up and slapping it on there. And there's this oil drain back hole that we want to make sure that we don't get any sealant into, because that would be bad. Alright, that should hold that until we're through with this other section. was a little more effort than it needed to be. Alright, let's get back to the front here. Stick our bearing in. Alright, well, we got bearings shoved in this thing, but we need to clean the flange around here, so I'm going to stuff the case with paper towels. That way you don't get that crud that we're going to be removing in here. There we go, something like that. Alright, that should be pretty decent. Alright. Let's stuff this guy on. Okay. Ah, crap. Forgot the speedometer gear. Alright, so that's going to do it for this episode. We got this all bolted together. Got junk all over my fingers. But anyways, got that taken care of. Got the transmission rebuilt, so that's ready to go back in the Raider. And then we can finally get back to solidly working on the Crossfire and hopefully get that roll cage knocked out. Alright, so I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, and I guess I will see you guys later. Time to paint this thing.